Do you want to buy a house and you don't really know where to begin? I will give you some tips today, things that you should do before you buy a house. Hello, if this is your first time visiting my page, my name is Dahir. I'm the founder of DHM Realty and I help people buy houses, sell houses and invest in real estate across the country. And if you need some help, you can just go to my link in my description and shoot me an email. But for right now, let's dive in. The first step will be knowing your location. It's very critical that you buy your house at the right location. And a lot of people make these mistakes. The reason it's very significant is when you try to sell this house in the near future, you need actually that house has to gain some sort of appreciation where you can sell the house for top dollars. Second step is you have to know what you can afford. And don't buy a house in the hopes that you may get raised someday and then you'll be able to pay this. And probably that would not fly with the bank to begin with. But you have to know, you have to budget and know what you can afford. Otherwise, what is going to happen in the future is you will buy a house and then you're not going to be able to pay it and the bank will take over. And that's not actually a safe place to be. The third one is almost related to the second one. You have to save the down payment and closing cost. And this usually it depends the value of the house that you're trying to buy. So if you're trying to buy a house that's actually $350,000, let's say that, and just do a 5% down payment, that could be easily 17 and 1,000. So you have to know your numbers. And usually the closing costs are usually around 4%. So you have to save up the down payment and closing cost. The last step is hiring a real estate agent. A real estate agent will make your life so easier. They will guide you every step of the way from A to Z. From the time that you guys sign the contract to the last, which is the closing, they will guide you every step of the way because they will do all the due diligence and know if there's a problem with this house and do all the paperwork and do all these things that you don't have to do it because they know the market and they know how much your house is valued and everything. So this will completely, literally change your life. So, and I want to be that person for you. If you want to buy a house, sell a house, and invest in real estate, I'll be able to guide you every step of the way. And if you have any questions for me, you can just